Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. On today's series I will be showing you guys how I wrap my Lexus IS200. For those of you who have been following my channel, you will know that I have recently turboed the Lexus about a year and a half ago, and since then it's been working very well. I have done various modifications to it since then, but over the years, because the car is old as well, the paintwork has just become shabby, so decided to go into the wrapping route rather than painting, and I bought myself some tech wrap. I won't tell you what colour, as that will be a surprise for the future. So yeah, throughout this series guys, I'm just going to be doing a few videos of how I wrap this car, from body preparation, because obviously there is chips everywhere, and the paintwork does need buffing and sanding, but I will go through all that. And this is only an amateur video. I've never done wrapping myself before, so yeah, so if everything goes well, you guys can do it too. It seems challenging, but I always like a challenge. So I will now show you what I've done so far. Alright, so far I have removed the door trims. Pain in the ass, but basically just pry them off, and I use a fishing line to help cut the adhesive, but then it leaves a lot of glue behind from the double-sided tape from factory, which all needs coming off. So I've started on this side, it went fairly well. Did take a lot of time, but I managed to get it all off, as you can see, with the helping hand of some WD white spirit, and I found the bug and tar remover helped quite a bit as well. I used a credit card and I've just scraped away, but just a lot time consuming, but it is all cleared now. Next I'm going to work on this quarter panel, this wing. Just remove the indicator light and just simply push this way and it'll pop out. Next I'm going to remove the front bumper so I can get the headlight out, and that way I can wrap around the corners of the wing, and I'll start prepping this wing for wrapping. There's a few holes here and there that I just need to fill in. Just finished up the driver's side wing. Sanded out some areas that needed to be sanded, like here has some overspray from when I did my bumper, and obviously I've got some rock chips, quite a few of them here and there, and to be honest the whole car has a lot everywhere, so this is what I'm going to have to be doing throughout. I use some knifing putty, just fills in the holes very nicely and it's easy to sand. I've done that throughout. I've also clay barred to remove any contaminants. I had loads of tar, because this car has not been detailed in a very long time. So you can see there's a door full of contaminants, and then you come to the wing and we got nothing. So that's what we're looking for. I've already got the indicators out as mentioned. I am thinking maybe just to loose a couple bolts of the wing, so when I do come to wrap it I can just pull it a bit back so I can get the wrap around and tucked in properly. So this is ready to be wrapped. The only thing I need to do is just clean the insides of here, otherwise the wrap won't stick. I've already removed the undercover for the wheel. Just need to pry that off and then give it a good clean, and that's pretty much it. That's what we're looking for throughout the rest of the car. So that's one panel done.